Hi, I'm Alex with EVO Helmet, and this is going to be a quick video on how to fix a stuck inner lens of an EVO helmet. What you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to show you now how to fix a stuck lens in your EVO helmet. So we're going to zoom in here to the area where the popped lens will occur. So let's simulate a lens pop. Alright, we're going to put it back in the helmet just for good measure. Alright, so now we have a popped lens. It has detached from its rotator. We are going to put our flathead screwdriver at the joint where the lens meets the matte black plastic. We're going to put our flathead screwdriver right there, grab our rotator as well to kind of help it along in the right, apply the force in the right area. And there we go. Back in the rotator. Now, if your lens is really stuck and you cannot fix it, just send it in and email us at avisurvival@gmail.com, or send your helmet in to 274 West Drive, Melbourne, Florida 32904, and we'll get your lens moving again. Thank you very much.